So we moved into this house. It was about a year old. And after living in it about a year, maybe a year and a half, we had a big snowstorm. Dumped about 3 feet of snow real fast. We have these pitched roofs, which is normal for snow country. The gutters that were originally on this roof were a large profile, probably to collect a lot of rain. But the problem is when the sun came out and the snow melted off the roof, it came down in a big slab and tore all the gutters off, all the original gutters off. And I could see that that was going to be a problem ongoing if we replaced them with the same type of gutters. So with a little research, I noticed that the Byers LeafGuard had the lower profile. I felt like they were going to be able to take the snow load, the snow coming off the roof without doing damage. And also in that 1 year that we had owned the property, I did have to clean out the gutters once. We have a lot of pine trees and oak trees, and we get a lot of debris. I knew that that was going to be a chore every year, so that was an added benefit. Interestingly enough, we bought the gutters to avoid the snow damage. For us, the fact that cleaning out the gutters was almost an extra benefit, which we've enjoyed. We've had Byers LeafGuard for 18, 19 years now, and we've had plenty of heavy snowfalls like we did that year of 2001, and we've never had a problem with the snow taking the gutters off or clogging the gutters or anything like that. So the primary reason was to withstand the snowfall. The fact that we also wouldn't have to clean the gutters out very often was a big benefit. I'm not a big ladder fan, and this corner right here, getting up there to clean out that gutter was, I'm not a big fan of ladders. I probably only cleaned out these gutters once when we had the original gutters. And I'm sure it took a half a day, at least, to clean out the gutters. So I probably would have cleaned out the gutters at least once a year for 19 years, half a day. So I don't know, 10 days. Of course, there's also how many emergency room visits did I save?
I think that's time and money.
Before we bought this house, we lived in Colorado, where we didn't have a debris problem. I don't remember cleaning out gutters much before moving here. When we moved here, I could see gutter cleaning was going to be
important.
Something that it was going to be in this area we were going to have to do. First chance I got to fix that problem, I did.